flash?
I wish I had a fucking flash. Did you get a video of that shit? Oh, weren't you the one that was saying you wanted Carnage? I think you found Carnage. Dude, this is insane, dude. Oh, fuck! I just fell in the hole. Oh, that hurt. Oh. That's not your car, is it?
Nope. This is my spot.
Yeah, shine a light now. No, not in the car, genius.
Look at that. Oh. And this goes all the way across the street.
Yeah, seriously.
Oh, crap.
Thank God there's no bus service.